All right, here we go. Nailing the tire. We've never done this before. It's the fastest and quickest way. All right, complete noobs. We're gonna use this kit, got it on Amazon, not sponsored, whatever. It's like 10 bucks. We're gonna see if it's worth anything. It's very typical nail in the tire.
Yeah, I got screwed. It's like this tire.
All right. I'm not cutting this video at all. So I'm just gonna sit through our struggles.
Wait,
Set
how
that
are we
right
gonna
there.
get it out?
We're gonna unscrew it.
Oh, I didn't think about that one. This.
Yep, just get in there and start unscrewing it, man. Wait, we actually have to be ready though with this.
Wait, this is
It's gonna freaking shoot out of there.
really?
Not really, but air is gonna start going crazy. Let me get one of these ready. Stop for a
I'm
second.
scared that I'm scared I'm making the hole bigger.
That's fine. These are gonna be way bigger
I
than
think
the
it's
hole.
all no, it's actually straight in there.
We're gonna try this one. There's 2 different sizes in this little kit. We're going with the bigger
Oh, I
size.
hear it.
You see? Come on, man. I don't even know if this is.
Dude.
This gotta come out. Hold on. That thing's long.
I'm saying. Oh, here it goes.
Let it loose. Let
I
it
don't
loose.
know which one. Okay, which one should we use?
I got the bigger one.
You think? Let me see. I seen these on TikTok, bro. I swear. If
Dude, I don't know. It's one of them TikTok shop
Temu
finds, bro.
stuff, bro. Oh man.
Amazon, whatever.
Taking out a screw.
I'm linking them below.
I really hope.
If it works. If it doesn't, I'm posting this video regardless.
Tire just it's about to explode. Dude, this is insane. I think somebody did this on purpose.
Somebody just.
You might need to go get the pliers. I think it's.
No, dude, it's almost out. Are you going right in with that? I'll take the screw.
My. Look at that. It's actually not as bad as I thought it was.
Y'all see that? You know, dude, that was actually really easy. If it works.
Says it works. Oh. I guess
at that.
just keep going with it.
Nah, dude, go all the way. No halves in.
Yeah, I guess just leave it at that.
I mean, I don't hear anything.
Me neither. I mean, there's only time will tell. Y'all are coming to get me.
Oh, man. So these things are like covered in like a lube. Or a silicone is really, it's not a lube, it's a silicone, man. The little screws that you
kinda
shove in there are
scared.
covered in silicone. I think you're good. I mean,
Oh.
we'll fill it up to what it's supposed to be. Man, that's disgusting. You just spit on it.
Yeah, but I'm trying to. I don't see no bubbles.
Yeah, I was going to say, have you seen any bubbles?
I mean, we're chilling.
Yeah, I don't see any new bubbles.
I don't see nothing.
Besides the ones that are in your spit. Nasty. So air it up. After immense testing and putting more water, there was no bubbles. So we put 35 pounds of pressure back in the tire, and we're just going to tighten those up. Let me know if you guys know a better way besides these little guys. It's my first time trying these out. It was really easy. It's like the first thing I've ever done on a vehicle that went to plan.
Hey, this wasn't your first time trying it out. This is on my truck.
That's on his truck. Not getting nails in my tire. Like this guy.
If my tire flies off, I might claim it on his insurance.